issues.
Yes, that is the last thing you want to encounter if you're flying a plane or a passenger on a plane. And that's going to be a significant concern as the center of circulation gets closer to us. But ahead of that, here comes all of this rain from the southwest. We're seeing some heavier downpours now moving into the Triangle, Orange County. Here are some of the first residents in the Triangle to see some of those heavier downpours raining heavily over much of Orange County and increasingly over Durham County, although that heaviest rain now over western Wake County and over into eastern Chatham County as well. Some downpours right over downtown Raleigh. It was raining cats and dogs on our rooftop just a couple of minutes ago. We're watching all of these downpours in advance of the main area of rain. If we're going to get any tornadoes, it's largely going to be from anything that can break off from the main pack and begin to rotate on its own. So watching this area of rain very carefully into Johnston County, just crossing over I-95 there. Not seeing any imminent signs of rotation or tornado warning, just something we're going to watch, monitor very carefully. And then here is that steady, heavy rainfall as we look into Lee County, Moore County, down into Hoke County. Increasingly for Cumberland County and Harnett County as well. And all of this is going to continue surging up from the southwest as we head through the rest of the afternoon and into early evening as well. The good news with this is an entirely different situation from Florence. I know it's remarkable to have two different major tropical systems moving through in the space of 4 weeks. This one racing along. It's still going to bring a flooding threat, but it's not going to be the prolonged several days in a row of flooding. We're talking several hours, in which time it can still produce a lot of rain and flash flooding, but it's going to move through. It's going to be out of here by the time midnight rolls around. We'll zoom out for the wider look and then we'll send it back to the news desk. Here is that center of circulation, not as well defined as it was yesterday, obviously, as the storm was making landfall along the coast of Florida. That well-defined eye, as the storm lost organization, it just kind of spreads out. It just becomes a big glob of rain. And you can see on the north side of that center of circulation, the rain really just is persistent back into western North Carolina. So look at that line of flash flood warnings being outlined from around Spartanburg all the way to near Charlotte and then towards the Triad. You can just extend that off to the northwest of the Triangle. Along I-85 is going to be kind of the stripe with the heaviest rainfall in central North Carolina. Those forecast rain amounts looking like to be in the 4 to 5, maybe 6-inch range in those locations. And in that falling in the space of 8, 9, 10 hours, that's just way too much rain in a short amount of time. So we're going to continue tracking the radar. We're going to continue monitoring for any signs of rotation. And once that center of circulation gets closer to us, that's when the tropical storm force wind threat will grow as we head towards late afternoon. So we're going to keep our eyes on all of that as we go through the rest of the day.